Hello students, I hope so all of you are well and taking good care of yourself. In our last video we have discussed chapter 3 playing with numbers exercise 3.3 introduction part, that is the rules of divisibility. So I hope so you have understood well, and today we are going to start the exercise questions of 3.3. So let's start question number 1. So question number 1, I have given you homework. Hope so you have finished your homework, doing it in your homework copy. Today we are going to start at question number 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 by 8. The first is here 572. So 572, we have to remember the rules of divisibility of 4 and 8 first, that the last two digits should be divisible by 4, then only the whole number will be divisible by 4, and in case of 8, the last three digits should be divisible by 8, then only the whole number will be divisible by 8. So here 572 is divisible by 4 because the last two digits 72 is directly divisible by 4 and there is no remainder. But 572 is not divisible by 8 because the last digit is only 572, which is not directly divisible by 8. Remainder is there. That is why this 572 full will be not divisible by 8. Then B, it is given 7,26,352. Same way, we have to focus on the last digit for divisibility by 4 and we have to focus on the last three digit for divisibility by 8. Okay, so 7,26,352 is divisible by 4 because the last two digits 52 is directly divisible by 4. There is no remainder. And it is also divisible by 8 because the last three digit 352 is also directly divisible by 8. There is no remainder. Okay. Then D. I have not done C. Okay. Don't think of it. D directly I did because all are similar. So which are having some complications, I have done that only. So 6,000. So 6,000 is divisible by 4 also and 8 also. How? Because the last two digits and the last three digits are all zeros. If it is 0, then no need to think, directly it will be divisible by 4 and 8. Understood? Then E, 12,159 is there. So last two digits 59, which is not divisible by 4 also and 8 also. Since they are 59 is an odd number. So 12,159 is not divisible by either 4 or 8. Now question number 3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. So at first you have to remember the rule of divisibility by 6. That is what? It should satisfy the rule of 2. That is the last digit should be 02468. And the rule of 3 also. That is after adding all the digits, the result we are getting, it should be divisible by 3. Then if it is satisfied by both 2 and 3 divisibility rule, then obviously it will be divisible by 6. So first question is here 2,97,144. So we can see the last digit is 4. That is why it is divisible by 2 as its units digit place digit 4 is an even number. Okay. Then next, it is also divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits after adding, that means 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4, we are getting 27, which is directly divisible by 3. That means it satisfies the divisibility rule of 2 also and 3 also. That is why it is divisible by 6 also. Understood? Since the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, therefore it is also divisible by 6. Hope you have understood this. Let's move to B now. So here 1258 is given. Since the last digit is 8, that means the digit in the unit place is 8, which is an even number, obviously it is divisible by 2. But the sum, that means 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8, we are getting here 16, which is not directly divisible by 3. So it satisfies by the divisibility rule of 2 but not by 3. So since the number is divisible by 2 but not by 3, therefore it is not divisible by 6. You got the difference? Now see, 4,335. Since the last digit, that means the digit in the unit place is 5, It is an odd number, not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. But the sum of the digits, that means 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5, we are getting 15. That is divisible by 3. But it should satisfy both the rule of 2 and 3. It is not divisible by 2 since the number is not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. Hope so you have understood question number 3 well. Now, let's move to question number 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. So, you have to remember the rule of 11 now. That means, we have to add the digits in the odd places separately and we have to add the digits in the even places separately. After adding whatever result we are getting, we have to subtract it. Means from the bigger number, we have to subtract the smallest number. And the result, if we get 0, either 0 or a number which is divisible by 11, suppose 11, 22, 33, 44, this way, then the number will be divisible by 11. So the first question is here, 5445. So sum of the digits at the odd place is what? First digit in first 5 is there, in the third 4 is there. So 5 plus 4, 9. Now sum of the digits at even places. Second one is what? 4. Fourth one is what? 5. So 4 plus 5 is also 9. So difference, that means after subtracting 9 and 9, what we will get? Obviously we will get 0. Since the difference is 0, therefore the number is divisible by 11. Understood? Now let's proceed to B now. So 10,824 is given. Again same way, sum of the digits at the odd places. So first 8 is there, 1 is there. In the third place 8 is there. In the fifth place 4 is there. So 1 plus 8 plus 4, we are getting 13. Okay. Same way, we have to find the sum of the digits at the even places. Second, 0 is there. Fourth, 2 is there. So 0 and 2 we are adding. So we are getting 2. So after subtracting 2 from 13, that means the difference of both the sum, that is 13 minus 2, we are getting 11. Since the difference is 11, which is divisible by 11, that is why the full number, that means 10,824 is divisible by 11. Again here, 71,38,965 is given. So sum of the digits at the odd places. So 7, 3, 9, 5. 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5, we are getting 24. Then again in the second place 1 is there. In the fourth place 8 is there. In the sixth place 6 is there. So 1 plus 8 plus 6, we are getting 15. So the difference between 24 and 15 will be what? 9. But 9 is not divisible by 11. Yes, that is why it is the 71,38,965 is not divisible by 11. Hope so you have understood question number 4 well. Now let's proceed to question number 5. Write the smallest digit and the largest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number form is divisible by 3. So at first we have to remember the rule of 3. What is it? We have to add all the digits. That means the sum of the digit, whatever result we are getting, that should be a multiple of 3. Here a number is given, but the first digit is blank. Okay, we have to fill it up with the digit, the smallest digit also once and the greatest digit also once. So 6724. So rule we know that we have to add. So let us add the remaining numbers only first of all. So we know that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. Therefore smallest digit is 2. That means starting with, suppose if we are adding the digit, then we will get 21. Okay. Sorry, 19 we are getting. So after 19, what is the number? After 19, what is the number? 21 is the number which is divisible by 3. So 21 minus 19 is what? 2. So if we put 2 in the blank space, then we are getting 21. So 21 is directly divisible by 3. Therefore, the 2 is the smallest digit here. Okay. So same way 19 we are getting after adding all those digits. So after 19, we have to focus on the largest digit. So starting from the largest one digit number 9. Okay. So 19 minus 9 is what? 19 plus 9 is what? 28. But 28 is not divisible by 3. But 27 is divisible by 3. Therefore, if we put 8 in that place, that means it will be divisible by 3. That means 27 will be the result. Therefore, the smallest digit is 2 because 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 is 21, which is divisible by 3. And the largest digit is 8. That means 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 27, which is also divisible by 3. So question number 6, write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number form is divisible by 11. So here the first question is given 9 2, then blank space is given 3 8 9. So we have to remember the rule of 11 now. We know that a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits at the odd places and that of the even places should be either 0 or 11. Okay? Since the blank space is an odd number, that means in the odd place, that means third one. So at first let us add the even places. Okay? Like 2, 3, 9. So we are getting 14. Okay? And then we will add the digits in the odd places. That is 9 plus, suppose the blank we don't know, let it be blank, then plus 9. 9 plus 9 is what? 18. But there the number should be like that when we are subtracting from that number 14 we are subtracting, because 2 plus 3 plus 9 we are getting 14. We should get 11 or else 0. That is why if you are putting in the blank space 8 if you are putting, then 9 plus 8 we are getting 25. So 25 minus 14 we will get 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. That means the missing number here in this blank space is 8. Understood? So the missing digit is 8. Hence the required number is, full number is what? 9,28,389. Hope so you have understood this exercise 3.3 well. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.